welcome to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making kimbap, which is a personalized triangle kimbap. It's like a Koreanized version of sushi, and it's super convenient to take on picnics or to lunch. We're going to be making two versions of it today. One with like a tuna mayo filling, and I really like perilla leaves, so we're going to be picking some of that too. But if you guys don't like perilla leaves, take it out of the picture. And the other one is going to be with ground beef and a gochujang sauce, so it's going to be sweet and spicy. This is what the seaweed looks like. And this is the molding that I'm going to be using. So both of these you guys could probably find at your local Korean grocery store, but for some reason if they don't carry it or if you don't have one near you, we do have an Amazon link below where you guys can purchase them. So let's get to it and see what ingredients we'll need. Now let's go pick our perilla leaves. Fancy poo-poo. And now we're gonna dice the onions into very small pieces so we can go ahead and make the filling for the tuna first. So I have my bowl of strained tuna, and I'm just gonna mix the mayo and onion into it. Onions. And make the gochujang beef next. Cook the beef. Okay, and I'm gonna add in the garlic now. The soy sauce. The red pepper paste. The sugar. Okay, there was a lot of oil that built up, so I'm just gonna strain all the oil out. Now we're gonna move on to seasoning the rice. So I'll add in my tablespoon of sesame oil. Salt. Okay, and so now we're gonna be assembling, but before we do that, I wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna cut the perilla leaves into the shape of the triangles. I have my perilla leaf, and I'm just gonna place a triangle over it. So now we're gonna be using these. If you guys look, there is a part where they have like numbers. So it says like 1, 2, and 3. So the ones with the writings actually face down towards your cutting board. So I'll lay my molding down close to the top. I'll add my rice. So this trim is used to press it down and form a shape. And now we're gonna place the perilla leaf and add the tuna towards the center so it doesn't spill out onto the sides. And then I'm gonna place another perilla leaf, put rice. You guys don't have to add any perilla leaves, or if you wanna add just one, that works too. I just like perilla leaves, so I'm adding a lot. And so now as I press down on this, I'm gonna pull the molding up. I'm just gonna flip it up towards the number 1 at the top and fold each side down Sorry guys, we forgot to show you guys how to open this. And Estee's here now. So it says 1, 2, and 3 here. So you pull 1 all the way down. Okay, I see. And then it says 2 and 3, it says to pull. So you pull here. Like this. And then you also pull here. And you have your kimbap. And that's how we make samgak kimbap or triangle kimbap. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I know that it's probably going to be getting cold real soon. So I hope you guys get to enjoy this on a last minute picnic before the fall hits. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and comment below. And we'll see you guys again on our next video. Bye! 어머야, let's say high five. Oh, good girl. Ampa's so loud.